I'm making a high-risk trading bot and giving it real money to hopefully multiply the account within days. Please follow along at your own risk. Even though the Forex community is filled with scammers,
we at $70 right now. 64.
Let's go. Let me know if I can lock you in.
the market itself isn't a scam. The scammers are the ones selling the courses, but the market is the market. You can make profit over time if you're right about trades more than you're wrong. So we want to program a bot that can trade foreign currencies, crypto, metals, stocks, and even oil. Alright, let's build it. When trading on the market, you need a broker. I'm going with Hugo's way just because you can trade anything as much as you want, and they have low fees and high leverage. I'm going to put a link in the description if you want to sign up. Just make sure you know this isn't financial advice and that there can be a lot of risk with high leverage accounts, so just be careful. Alright, for the trading platform, we're going to go with MetaTrader 4. I'm not going to lie, it's a little bit janky, but it works well and it has a built-in programming language called MQL4 that we'll build the bot with. Now this is the part I spent a bit of time learning MQL4 and diving deep into some of the strategies I could build. Shout out to this guy because he saved me a bunch of time.
Mathematical functions for rounding values in MQL4.
Now I feel like I know just enough to build a bot and do some backtesting on an old chart. So the bot will do 3 things. 1. Automatically draw its own support and resistance lines on the chart. 2. Be able to draw 4 separate moving average lines. 3. Be able to trade automatically based on these lines crossing at specific times. I don't want to bore you guys with everything the bot does because it's over 400 lines of code, so let's just test it now with the demo account first. Alright guys, the first demo account kind of just... I'm looking back at the old trades to see what went wrong, and there's a few things I want to keep tweaking. Like right here, it should have made much more profit, but for some reason it pulled out way too early. Alright, round 2. So this one did a lot better. It was actually up over 200% at one point. Let's keep tweaking and see where it goes. Alright, I've tested a few more times off camera and I know I'm being impatient, but I just want to put real money in. I want to see what happens. Hopefully our account doesn't blow up. Alright, it's Tuesday. We put $100 into the live account and we're going to go test the bot on the Euro USD 5-minute chart. I do not recommend this trading strategy. It does compound pretty fast, but it risks about 30% of the account per trade on average. But there is always that small chance that the account skyrockets. It's currently 4:50 p.m. and the bot entered its first sell trade, which means we want the price to go down from this line. Okay, 7:43 p.m. the trade is currently negative $23. If I pulled out now, it'd be a pretty big loss, but we will let the bot do its thing. 9:02 p.m. we get a good move, and if we pulled out now, it would technically be profit. Alright, it's 1:30 in the morning, price tanked, and we are currently at $23 profit on the trade. I'm going to bed, but I'm excited to see what I wake up to. Okay, so a lot happened since I went to bed. Turns out the trade from last night ended up only profiting $1.75. Then another trade right after profited $16.25, which is good. Then somehow the trade right after lost $74.20. Then right after that, a trade profited $27.18. Holy shit. That makes the current balance $66.63. Not good. The reason I lost so much on that one trade is because there was actually a bug that was preventing the stop loss from being set at all. I'm going to go ahead and fix that and start the bot again. So not much happened on day 2, but there was a $4 win, so we'll take it. And day 3, I'm waking up to a $23.85 loss. It's a killer, I'm not going to lie. Alright guys, I'm going to be a little bit degenerate. I'm going to switch to the 1-minute chart and increase the risk even more. I do not recommend this at all. I'm just in desperation mode at this point. Alright, trade 1 locked in. We need the price to cross this line to make a profit. Just like that, over $7 in profit. For trade 2, we need the price to go down. After all of that, I'm left with $31.58, therefore proving the Forex market is a complete scam.